Hello everyone! Is your car feeling sluggish, struggling with acceleration, or running rough at low speeds? If your OBD-II scanner has detected P0665, intake manifold tuning valve control circuit high, bank 2, then your engine's air control system might not be functioning properly. In this video, I'll explain what P0665 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, the exact locations of the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. The P0665 trouble code stands for Intake Manifold Tuning Valve Control Circuit High, Bank 2. Your car's intake manifold tuning valve, IMTV, adjusts airflow to optimize engine performance. The powertrain control module, PCM, controls this valve electronically, adjusting the amount of air entering the intake manifold. A high voltage reading in the IMTV control circuit for Bank 2, the side of the engine opposite cylinder 1, indicates a problem. This could be due to a faulty actuator, a shorted wire, or even a PCM issue. Common symptoms of P0665: check engine light on loss of power, especially at low RPMs, rough idling or engine misfires, reduced fuel efficiency, hesitation when accelerating. If you're experiencing these issues, let's locate the key sensors and components responsible for P0665. To diagnose P0665, focus on these critical parts: intake manifold tuning valve, IMTV. Actuator. Bank 2, location: mounted on the intake manifold, near the throttle body, on the bank 2 side. Function: adjusts the air intake for engine efficiency. If it's faulty, your car may struggle with performance. Powertrain control module, PCM. Location: near the firewall in the engine bay, or under the dashboard inside the cabin. Function: send signals to control the IMTV actuator. If the PCM malfunctions, incorrect signals can cause tuning valve issues. IMTV wiring and connectors location: runs from the IMTV actuator to the PCM, along the intake manifold. Function: transmits electrical signals. A shorted wire or poor connection can cause high voltage issues. Intake manifold runner control, IMRC. Bank 2. Location: attached to the intake manifold near the IMTV actuator. Function: works alongside the IMTV to regulate airflow. A failure here can cause tuning valve malfunctions. Vacuum lines and solenoids location: connected to the intake manifold and throttle body. Function: maintains air pressure balance. Leaks or blockages can disrupt the air intake system. Common causes of P0665: faulty IMTV actuator, Bank 2. If the actuator is stuck open, too much air enters the engine. Wiring issues: a short circuit or damaged wiring can cause high voltage readings. IMTV control solenoid failure: a bad solenoid can prevent proper air control operation. PCM malfunction: if the PCM sends incorrect voltage, the tuning valve won't function properly. Vacuum leaks or carbon buildup: leaking hoses or clogged air passages can cause erratic air intake control. How to fix P0665. Step 1. Scan for additional codes. Check for other air intake related trouble codes. Step 2. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for broken, frayed, or corroded wires in the IMTV circuit. Step 3. Test the IMTV actuator. Bank 2. Use a multimeter to measure voltage and resistance. Step 4. Check for vacuum leaks. Inspect hoses and seals near the intake manifold. Step 5. Replace the IMTV actuator if necessary. Install a new OEM part if the actuator is faulty. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and verify the fix. Ignoring P0665 can lead to poor engine performance, sluggish acceleration, and inefficient fuel usage. Fixing this issue ensures smooth airflow and optimal power output. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0586, Cruise Control Vent Control Circuit Low. P0587, Cruise Control Vent Control Circuit High. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.